Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to update you on some of my beheadings that I had done. One I did show, I did a video of it, of me beheading it, and then the other one I beheaded it, but I did show you what it looked like. And when I moved them into the greenhouse, I did show you when it got a little burnt, and I'm going to show you how fast she recovered. I gave her water, and it's like, it was like magic. I need to show you. So let me just quickly show you that one. I mean, the one that I beheaded in my original video. So she's already rooted. There she is. She's looking beautiful. I mean, this plant was huge, and now she's small, but she'll get there again. I would have to repot her in order for her to get there. So yeah, I'll do that. Not right now though. I have to figure out what pot I'm gonna use. And then this is her stump, and these are the babies. Look at how much they've grown, and how many babies are there. So cute. I didn't think I almost threw it out. I was looking at it and it didn't have anything. All of a sudden, it just boom. So I watered it, and all of a sudden, baby's just there. Now, I will show you on the side, maybe on, hold on, let me focus. On this, where's my camera? On this side, I will put a slide, short video of what that looked the other day, and look at what it looks like now. Guys, I don't even think you can see how big that looks. The other day, these were shriveled, and I was like, darn it, I killed it. It's not gonna recover, and there she is. She's recovering. So beautiful. So yeah, I want to say that I noticed that some that I've beheaded before, if their stem is new and skinny, it won't give you babies. See, I beheaded these, and it has not given me any babies. So they might end up, you know, tossed out. So I did notice with that. And then probably if I would have left leaves, I probably would have encouraged more. Because that's what happened to this one. What I did is I beheaded this one and left leaves underneath. And all of a sudden I started having babies. So once the babies were there, I gently removed the leaves. So I think leaving some leaves there gives you a better chance of that. But look how big that is. Look at how big she is. She was just shriveled the other day. And I was like, oh, they're burnt. And this one, that is a very mature stem. I mean, the stem is old. So yeah, I want to say it's a year old. So I think that's why it's giving babies. But right now, other stems that I've beheaded have not given me any babies. And just a quick overview, I moved some of my indoor plants out here. I just think eventually that's what's going to have to happen until I see in the summertime how much the light comes through that door, the glass door. If I see a lot of light, then I might, you know, bring some in, because I do enjoy looking at them, but I do not want to cause any stretching. This is one of my arrangements that I made. I didn't show it on YouTube, but I did have it on Instagram, a picture of it. So if you guys want to get a better look at it, this is a very beautiful pot. If you want to get a better look at it, you can go on there. There's 5 plants in here. No, there's 6 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 plants, and then several of those. But like 6 different kinds of plants. I do have this on OfferUp where I live, just to see if someone wants to buy it. It really doesn't bother me if they don't buy it, because I get to keep it, because I do like it. But if I sell it, I'll be excited, and then I can just make more. So anyways, what else did I bring? Oh, I brought this plant stand. It looks a little beat up, but you know, it gives it character. I brought it in here to be, I moved my prints because it wasn't getting enough light. I don't feel like it was getting enough light there. So hopefully the light here is good enough for this one. And then I move my prints over here. I baby him so much. Anyway, so what else? Oh, I brought this one from inside out here. Just because I was looking at a YouTube video and it looked much more rounded when it was outside. So I brought it outside to see, you know, and it hasn't flowered. It's been a year and it hasn't flowered. So I brought it out here to see if it will encourage some flowering. This one also I brought from inside. What else? Oh, this one too. Donkey's tail I brought from inside. So yeah, that's what I got going on here. Yep. My arrangement that I just made recently, that's inside only because I just made it, so she can handle a few days on the table, but eventually she's gonna have to come out here too. So yeah. Oh, here's another update. I'm sorry. Here's another example of my beheading. I almost threw this out. I almost did, and I said, you know what, let me just keep it around and pot it and see what happens. And look, so out of 2 plants, because this was 2, 1, 2, and then it had, you know, the 2 stems in each. I beheaded it, so now I have 2 here and 4 here, because these are now 4 individual ones. That's pretty cool. I think it's so awesome how you can just, you know, propagate and multiply your plants in that way. So I'm excited about that. Also, I guess I'll tell you really quickly, today's a pretty windy day, and by now one of my panels should have flown away, but it hasn't because everything is pressed down with pieces of wood, so nothing is flying away. So it looks pretty good. Everything's staying put, so I'm really happy with that. Did I show you guys? I got that at the Goodwill for $2.99. What a steal. I couldn't believe it. I can't wait to fill it with something. I want it to be filled completely and just showing on the top, so I have to see what I want to put in there. Did I show you that? I don't know if I did. I'll show you real quickly. I think I did. I added, I took out the plant that was here leggy, and I added this ruby slipper in there, and now I really like how the arrangement looks. And I correct myself what I said before. I said that that pot didn't have a hole. It does have a hole, so kudos to whatever company did that pot, put it together. And then I added the blue elf to this pot. So yeah, and I moved my ponytail pot out here. Look, you hear the wind? That would have made one of my panels fly off. So yeah, guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. You have a blessed day. Bye.